Hey everyone, this is John with CAD Ray, and I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of a Nightguard design using our Clinux web-based CAD software. This is a full arch scan I just took in meditlink in a slightly open byte position so we can design a Nightguard. And you can see here in meditlink I defined this as a maxillary Nightguard for the prescription form here. And so now once everything has been rendered and the models are done, I took the scan in about 45 seconds per arch, very, very fast. And I'm going to go ahead and launch the Clinux application here. Which is directly available from the app box in meditlink. So go ahead and click and launch the Clinux button, and it's going to automatically open up the web browser to our chairside.clinux.pro and ask me to log in with our licensed account. Everything about Clinux lives in the web browser. It's the only of its kind, and it's automatically now going to pull the models and the prescription form data from meditlink. It's just going to ask me to verify that I'm sure, and it's going to automatically import the models from meditlink into Clinux now. You can see the first thing that it will do is bring in the maxillary model from Clinux. Down here where it says models, I can turn on the opposing, the mandibular model, and look at everything like that. And if we follow the CAD assistant here on the right side, the first step is import. That was automatically completed. The second step is drawing the line for the finish line for the guard, called the guard line. Double click to get started, where you'd like to put the guard line, and give it single clicks along the model for the final finish line of the Nightguard. You, as the user, have 100% control where on the teeth you would like the Nightguard to finish, so where you would like to put the final position of the guard. And notice how the view, the camera view, switches around with us as we make clicks for the position of the Nightguard. So there's no reason to have to rotate the model or do anything manually. We can just keep clicking along and input the final position of the guard by giving it single clicks. Anybody can learn how to use this software and design a Nightguard in a matter of moments here, literally just by watching this video. Go ahead and double click to finish when you get to the end of your guard there. And then let's click the next button. And Clinux will ask us to define the path of insertion for the guard. And the areas in yellow will be automatically blocked. Those are the undercuts by the software. So just get a nice path of insertion. Click the next button. And now it's automatically going to calculate our Nightguard. So in a matter of 10 seconds there, the Nightguard was proposed, and here's what it looks like. A pretty flat, plain occlusion. You have options for different flatnesses. And we can see now where the guard is coming into occlusion with the opposing. So if I turn on the mandibular model here, and I can even make the mandibular model transparent, and we can see where it's coming through. And I can now even choose to open the bite or close the bite to take some of the pressure off the guard or on the guard. So if I want to have the occlusion right about there, I've now got the Nightguard with the occlusion exactly how I want it. And I can use my tools here, my add or subtract tools, to take occlusal points off the guard. I can take my smooth tool and I can make the anterior region a bit more flat. And everything's looking pretty good with this Nightguard, and it's basically ready for me to print. So when I click my export button right here, it's going to ask me where I'd like to print it or where I'd like to export it. I can put it on my desktop or to a number of different cams. I have the raywayre software from SprintRay automatically selected here. So when I click export, it'll automatically open the raywayre software on my computer and automatically bring this guard into raywayre and nest it for me automatically. So if I come right here, it'll import the file. It'll ask me to do a quick fix of the model. And then it will auto-generate a support structure. In a moment, it'll ask me to fix that and auto-generate the supports. And in about 2 minutes of design time, this is ready to print. So that was 100% integrated from meditlink. We clicked the Clinux button. We designed our guard here in the Clinux software with the ability to change the bite position as needed on the Z-axis up to 4 millimeters and check the occlusion of the guard. And then that was an automatic nest in raywayre and able to print this in splint material very, very quickly. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we will talk to you soon.